A new service has been introduced to the subsea oilfield installations worldwide. The service is Riserless Light Well Intervention, also called RLWI. The RLWI service offers diverless wireline intervention services for subsea wells from a broad variety of vessels. Throughout the world, there are thousands of subsea wells at various water depths that will require a wireline intervention service. The RLWI service offers an inexpensive alternative to using traditional riser systems. The RLWI system consists of three main items: the Lower Intervention Package, LIP, and Lower Lubricator Package, LLP, the Upper Lubricator Package, ULP, the Lubricator Sections, LUB, and the Subsea Tool Trap, STT, the Wireline Tool String, and the Pressure Control Head, PCH. What you will see in the next few minutes is a typical installation sequence of the RLWI system on a horizontal Christmas tree system located on a subsea template. The operation is performed from the surface vessel and assisted by an ROV subsea. The Lower Intervention Package and the Lower Lubricator Package is the largest assembly of the system. When including the running tool, the assembly is 55 tons and 10 meters high. The Lower Intervention Package represents the main barrier element and safety head of the system. It comprises a variety of rams and valves, some capable of cutting drill pipe if required. Like all the other assemblies, the LIP-LLP assembly is run on an active heave-compensated wire using guide wires. In addition, there is a guiding system that supports the assemblies when they are located in or passing the splash zone. The Lower Lubricator Package contains the main control systems in the stack. There is a control module located inside, which is supplied with both energy and signals via the main umbilical. The main umbilical is connected to the Lower Lubricator Package via an umbilical cutter, which can be activated to free the vessel from the subsea installation in case of vessel drive or drift-off emergency situations. In addition, the Lower Lubricator Package contains a well kill hub and a subsea grease injection system for the wireline. Located at the bottom of the assembly, there is a connector that locks the assembly to the Christmas tree hub. The connector is available in a variety of designs to allow for interfacing with different types of trees. The longest assembly of the stack is the Upper Lubricator Package combined with the lubricator sections and the subsea tool trap. With the running tool, it is 21.5 meters long. At the bottom of the assembly is a subsea tool trap which prevents the unintentional dropping of the tool string into the well. On top of the tool trap is the lubricator section, which can hold tool strings of up to 20.5 meters in length. On the very top, we find the Upper Lubricator Package, which holds the wireline shear seal ram capable of cutting the wireline and sealing off the well if required. The lubricator section offers a parking space for the wireline tool string on its way in or out of the well, while pressurizing the system before opening the well or depressurizing the system after the well is closed in. In case of excessive forces being applied to the stack in an emergency situation, the lower part of the lubricator section will bend and as such act as a mechanical weak link in the system, located above the safety head in the Lower Lubricator Package. This will ensure that excessive bending forces are not transferred from the intervention system to the permanent subsea installation. The lubricator assembly is locked onto the Lower Intervention Package assembly by means of a connector. The wireline tool string is located below the pressure control head. It is connected to a wireline which is threaded through narrow tubes in the pressure control head. The tool string can be of a variety of combinations, lengths and sizes, depending on the service to be performed in the well. Located at the bottom of the pressure control head is a tool catcher. The tool catcher will catch and hold the tool, if the tool string is unintentionally pulled into the pressure control head, and break the wireline. The pressure control head represents the primary seal, when the wireline is run into the well. The seal around the moving wireline is achieved by pumping viscous grease into the limited free space between the wireline and the narrow tubes in the pressure control head. The grease pressure is supplied from the subsea grease injection system located in the lower lubricator package and must always be higher than the wellhead pressure. On its way down to the subsea stack, the sea current can apply substantial forces to the wireline and tool string. This requires continuous monitoring to avoid twisting of the wireline with the guide or running wires. When the wireline tool string enters the top of the lubricator assembly, the tool string is guided with a combination of ROV and guide cones. The pressure control head is locked in place by means of a connector. The riserless light well intervention system is now ready for replacing the seawater in the stack by flushing in inhibitor fluid to avoid hydrate formation. The next step is to pressure test the stack before opening the well and running the wireline tool string into the well. The tool string is run into the well by means of gravity until the well deviation reaches approximately 70 degrees. Beyond this point, a well tractor is required to help the tool string into the high deviated, sometimes horizontal parts of the well. The wireline services available are many, but the services used for subsea wells will normally be of typical product-enhancing services such as production logging to identify reservoir characteristics and contribution from different perforated zones, installation of plugs and packers to isolate zones in the well, and perforation of new zones in the well. The riserless light well intervention system is equipped with a patented flushing system that returns all hydrocarbons back into the well. It also enables the option of chemical treatment services of the well, such as scale squeeze operations. By performing wireline services in the well, the lifetime of the well and field is extended, and more oil and gas is recovered. The riserless light well intervention service will help to increase the recovery from subsea wells in general, closing the recovery gap compared to topside types of wells. This will make subsea installations even more beneficial as a field development solution.